Guys, it's awesome Disney Builder here. And you see how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 surprise eggs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15. 15 shopkins, including all the shopkins are out and one plastic egg. So let's open the plastic egg first. Look, we got Miss Swiss. She's from the dairy. And next we're going to open this purple surprise egg on the top. And the purple surprise egg on the top has Sugar Lump. She's really cute. Also, we have this big, huge orange Play-Doh surprise egg. So we're going to open this one. Okay, just open it like that. We got Creamy Bun Bun. Next, we're going to open this pink Play-Doh surprise egg. Let's see who we get. We got Chira, just like the other ones on the website, right next to her. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, baby wipes fell down. Oh, look. These are eggs from the So Cool fridge. Oh, here's another one. Gonna be 30 shopkins. Gonna open the pink one next. We got Melalene Pips. Now we're gonna open this one second. Oh, it's a baby diaper and it's fuzzy. You can kind of see on camera that it's kind of fuzzy because it's darker. Now let's open this purple surprise egg. Look what we got, Miss Twist. Next we're going to open this another Boost Play-Doh surprise egg. Get another baby fuzzy one. It is, I don't know its name, but I know it's a bottle and baby. Next we're going to open this orange one back here. Oh look, we got Slick Breadstick. He's French. And then we're going to open this blue one that's going down the slide. Ah, not shopkins over. Well, look what this one is. Oh, this is garlic rose. Next, we're going to open this pink Play surprise. Oh, look, it's pink and this is Bun Bun Super. This one, gonna open it up, see what we have.
Are they real surprises or is she opening?
Here is Tooth. Next, we're gonna open this pink Play-Doh surprise egg, our second last one. Oh look, we got Lollipoppins. Next, we're gonna open this big, huge Play-Doh surprise egg, and I'm gonna put it like here. Ah, I can't go through. Now we got it. Last one. Let's see what we get. We got Coffee! That's really cute. I hope you comment, like, or subscribe. You can do any of them. I hope you like the colors on my Play-Doh and the playset and the Shopkins that we got. And I also got this so cool fridge, which the eggs go in. And also for my class, I got this, like, little Valentine's with mini candy. Hello Kitty. Bye!